Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. For the month of April, I am unboxing the Witch's Roots box and I'm super excited to see what magic lies inside. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon in the comment section and description box down below. Let them know I sent you guys. They always have awesome magic. Ooh, things are just flying right out of here. Let's see what the theme for this month is. The theme of this month, guys, is the ancient allure. During a time of excitement, growth, newfound opportunities, and experiences, we delve into the playful, powerful, and wonderful realms of ancient correspondences. There are specific tools that provide us with a source of inspiration and enchantment. Yet, we also rely upon our intuition and creativity to foster real relationships with these energies and spirits. We find comfort in those energies that are so old and ancient that we can hear their whispers from beyond the physical reality around us. In this very special and powerful collection, we work with the ancient allure for such sacred and profound energies to bring us closer to our roots. How neat, guys, and the magical items in this box are as follows. So, I love that because I do be working with Ascended Masters, different magical creatures. Let's see. Ooh, we're getting some amber. There's a beautiful amber Book of Shadows artwork, guys, and a fairy elven star spell / information about this creature that's a fairy elven star. So, super neat Book of Shadows artwork. All the close-ups will be on the screen for you guys to read. They're so beautiful. I just love how magical they are. And my Book of Shadows I have that's storing all of my awesome Book of Shadow pages from the Witch's Moon is so big, guys. It doesn't want to fit anything else. So I think after this, I'm gonna have to order me a custom-made binder that's just like 10-12 inches in width, like huge. Need it to all fit in there. So let's see what else is in here, guys. I just love how everything's packaged so good. You're never gonna have anything broken. Like, the quality's immaculate in these witchy boxes that the Witch's Moon do for us. Ooh, so it looks like there's a little coin in here, guys, and I believe this one is that elven star fairy thing. So it says, I grant thee beauty, harmony, serenity. So must be a little magical creature. That's so cool, guys. Should I read you what this is about? This is a serenity coin. This wonderful coil provides a depiction of a small fairy and provides the following affirmation. I grant thee beauty, harmony, serenity. Carry this coin with you during times of anxiety or hardship. Created from nickel-free pewter. Beautiful, guys. I just love things like this. It makes you feel like you're in those ye olden times. So cool. It also looks like there's a crystal in here, guys. And why does this crystal look so magical? Is this a piece of a garnet? But it looks like a teardrop. There's so much stuff in here that's shedding everywhere, guys. But let's see, what is this? Oh, this is amber. This is a piece of amber that looks like a teardrop, guys, and this is great for helping with pain and just healing. This is a tumbled Cemeterian amber. We have included a tumbled Cemeterian amber for you to carry with you throughout your day. When needed, place this amber within the palm of your hand, lightly running your fingers over its smooth surface. Allow the warmth and healing energy to calm your nerves and reassure your energies. Elemental correspondences as earth. It's so beautiful, guys, and I love how they have this little pouch because amber in particular is very delicate and can scratch easy, so I love how it's protected in here. Cannot wait to work with this crystal. Also looks like we got some herbs too, guys, so we have 3 herbs, I believe. We have some rose petals, which are always great to add to your magic. And no way, we have amber resin, guys. This is so cool. You burn this on your charcoal disc and you'll get the smell. The scent will waft through your surroundings, and ooh, I'm so excited. Let me read to you what it says about that amber resin, guys. Amber incense resin, nectar of the gods, is one of our favorite resins to work with. Amber has always been a go-to during times of needed grounding and meditation. It's a wonderful addition to add any attraction spells of crafting or simply to set the mood. Amber is commonly known for its ability to make the weaver irresistible and seductive, corresponding with its quality of emitting sacred and divine energies. Made from a variety of various resins and herbs, amber resin is created using traditional techniques that are commonly passed down from generation to generation and heavily protected as family recipes. In addition to being a potent scent of attracting love into your life, amber is a wonderful balancer of emotions and tends to bring a sense of calmness and harmony to any setting. Included within this collection is a fairy locket, where a very small piece of this amber resin can be placed. Please know that this resin carries a very strong scent and can be used with only a small pinch. In addition, this amber resin can be burned as incense and typically works very well on a charcoal disc. Again, be very conscious. Amber opens your perceptions to view techniques from ancient guides and guardians. We have also been incorporating and enjoying this powerful resin within our craft for many, many years and truly hope these energies resonate within your practices just as powerfully. That is so cool, guys. So where is this fairy locket? I want to see where it's at. Where are you? And that's kind of neat. So I wonder how it smells too, guys. I have to open it and give it a little waft or whiff. And it looks like the pendant is over here. I like how this is on this, guys, with the purple color. That divine high crown charka energy. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, this is neat, guys. Okay. I feel like, oh, so you would have to put the piece of amber in here. This amber, guys, completely like opens. So you would put the piece of amber inside, then I think lock it up here. I'm not really sure how you do this, guys. I'm gonna have to play around with it, but you put the piece of amber within this and it goes in half. So this is gonna be neat once I figure it out. Cannot wait to work with this. Let's see how the amber smells too, because I'm curious. I have it in more of like a stone form in a way, even though it's not. It's just to where you can actually touch it and it's not sticky like tree sap. So I'm excited to work with that, but I wonder how just this amber smells. Oh, this smells so good. This amber smells really nice, guys. It just totally reminds me of like India, Tibet. It just smells very divine and spiritual. So it's so neat to see the Witch's Moon working with that within their craft. Of course they are. It smells amazing. It reminds me of like those other resins that you guys would burn on charcoal disc. It looks like there's a ritual aura spray for this month too, guys. This is the Fairy Star Ritual Aura Spray. We are thrilled to be able to introduce our Fairy Star Ritual Aura Spray within this very special collection. This spray has been created with the intentions of providing you with protections on your path towards understanding and communicating with other realms. We recommend using this aura spray before divinatory practices or meditation. This is so neat, guys, and it's got that fairy star on it. So there's like a little lid, but you can unscrew it and then put the spray bottle part on top. Give it a little shake and give yourself a little spray. This smells good, guys, and I don't mean this in offense to the Witch's Moon, but it literally smells like when you were a kid taking a bubble bath and you're just spraying like a bubble bath on you. So I could really get that fairy energy from it, how it's just so playful and ooh, it's strong. Smells good, guys. This is a very neat, seductive box. What else is in here? So let's see. It looks like there's a spell candle, and the incense sticks for the month is an amber essence incense stick. And if it smells anything like the amber resin, I know I'm gonna love it, and I'm totally gonna burn it when I'm done filming this video, and I'm gonna start editing it. Ooh, this smells good, guys. I'm gonna be burning this soon. It smells so good. And it looks like the last thing in this box is this spell candle. It looks like it's a pink beeswax spell candle, guys. Yep, it's a pink beeswax spell candle. Cannot wait to use this in my magic. This box was just so neat and different and unexpected. I love the neat things in this box, guys. I do want to read you a little bit of what this fairy elven star is, because I am curious myself. So a 7-pointed star, a multitude of meanings, both ancient and modern, have been applied to the 7-pointed star, officially called a hyptogram or a septogram. From descriptions in the ancient Egyptian Book of the Dead are the gates of Ishtar to the constellation of the Seven Sisters, or the Kabbalistic emanations of the Seraph, and so on. 7 holds much mystical merit. In Abrahamic religions, the divine creates all of existence within 6 days and resets on the 7th. 7 correlates with the 7 heavenly bodies, or the 7 chakras, a lot of 7 energies, guys. It's not me, it's just so hard to read this with the light shining in my eye, and the writing is so fancy, but I'll have close-up shots, and if you guys want to screenshot it, read it, you totally can, but Super neat. I'm in love with this month's witches roots box, guys. Be sure to check them out down below. Let them know that I sent you guys to get your magical subscription boxes or potions, incense, whatever you need. The Witch's Moon's got you covered. They have a neat magical moon market. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe. Turn on those post notifications down below so you're notified for all of my future content. And like always, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys always be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. So mote it be. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.